Hey guys, it's Philip with Trade Genius. Before we get into this next token I wanted to talk about, I just want to remind you guys that we do have our winter special up and running. It's got about a day left, and if you head over to tradegeniusacademy.com, you can scroll down and take advantage of those bundles that we have up. Got about a day left on those, so just wanted to share that with you guys as a reminder. Alright, now let's check out this next token. In this video I wanted to cover a project called Eidoo, E-I-D-O-O. And essentially what it is, it's a mobile wallet, but it has a few more things going on than just the wallet itself. They're going to focus on Ethereum and Bitcoin, and then they're also going to roll out a decentralized exchange as well as a centralized exchange. They're rolling out a debit card. They are rolling out a market where people can basically have like an app store for digital content. So they're doing some interesting things, and so we like to focus on projects that are actually doing something as opposed to just having a token to just trade for speculative purposes. The token itself will be used for things like fees on the platform. You'll be able to have, if you're holding a certain amount of the Eidoo tokens, then you'll be able to take advantage of certain bonus opportunities like airdrops and things like that. So that's the functionality of the tokens and the platform. So let's take a look at the chart and see what we are looking at as far as possible trade setups. We are in kind of a pennant formation here. This is the hourly chart. And what I like about this level is we're kind of hitting this longer term trend line. So this would be kind of a good spot to pick up, maybe take a stab at it. If we were to break down below this trend line, then that probably would take a little longer for us to maybe consolidate in this range and then move higher. But I do think there's an opportunity with this one to move higher. Right now, this is a 4-hour chart, and basically, again, we've seen fairly decent pops off that trend line. If we pop back over to an hourly chart, there we go. You see every time we come down to this trend line, we get a nice pop. So you probably can see somewhere between 30 and 60% depending on the pop. So anyway, I thought I would point that out to you guys. This is Eidoo, E-I-D-O-O is the project, and the symbol is EDO BTC on Binance. So interesting spot here for a buy. Also too, the technicals are looking pretty prime for a turn up. Normally when we start seeing these kind of levels down here on the stock RSI, they turn up. It's a good spot to get in. And as you notice here, we're getting down there on that RSI, and where we get down to these levels like here, you notice that you get a nice bottom there. So keep an eye on that, guys. I think we got a good opportunity here for a pop. So thought I'd share that with you guys. Eidoo, E-I-D-O-O. Check it out. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you on the next video.